So hey guys, today's video is a quick 3-step way of starting a new campaign and determining what the starting bid should be. So step 1 would be to download a 45-day search term report. So you want to download this and then use Google Docs, or you could use Excel if you prefer, which is filtering by match type. So to give you an example, if the CPC for the match type broad is 22 cents, then you multiply that by 2, which gives you 44 cents. So 44 cents would be your new bidding keyword for the new campaign. So I hope this makes sense. Step 1, you download the search report. Step 2, you filter by match type, pay for. And then step 3, you do a multiple of the CPC that you. So as always, if you have any comments, any questions, go ahead and leave them below and I'll get back to you. Okay? Talk to you guys tomorrow.